Good morning, friends. It's Miss Hipple. I am going to be teaching you math this week. You are going to be doing some independent practice on some subtraction, and I can't wait to show you some tricks to our math and subtracting. So today and always, we always start with a learning target. And you can see in the back, I have my learning target up here. And our learning target is just our goal for the week. We want to be masters at this, okay? So you're gonna repeat after me. You are gonna say it, and we're gonna do it 2 times. Are you guys ready? Give me a thumbs up. All right, let's go. We are learning to use a number line to subtract. We are learning to use a number line to subtract. So, we are using a number line to subtract. Now, you've already used a number line to add your numbers. Now you are using a number line to subtract your numbers. So, let's kind of get our brains in the right spot of what we're doing with our numbers today. I want to introduce you to somebody, or you might already know him, and it is Linus the Minus. So, Linus the Minus, he is a greedy and naughty young lad. He's always taking away, and he's oh so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He will make a big difference, but he'll never confess. So, Linus the Minus, or the subtraction symbol, as you see him right here, he takes things away. And when he takes things away, your number will get smaller. It will not get bigger. Like in addition, it always gets smaller. So today we're going to focus on using a number line and moving across that number line, and you will see that our number is going to get smaller when we move on this number line. So I'm going to kind of move the camera for us. Woo. Okay. So I want you guys to look over here at some of these examples I have given for you. So on a number line, when we add, we always move forward because our numbers are getting bigger, right? So in subtraction, where do you think we would move on the number line? Would we move forward, or would we move backwards on our number line? Because if we move backwards, our numbers are getting smaller, right? Right. So I'm going to show you a trick. Are you guys ready? So this is what you're going to do. 5, take away, minus, there's Linus the Minus, 3 equals. So we are going to start at 5. So I want you to circle 5. And we are going to go backwards 3 times. So we're going to jump back 3 times, and whatever number we land on, that is going to be our answer. Are you ready for the magic to happen? All right, so we start at 5 because 5 is here, and we're going to jump back. We're going to jump back 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. What number did I land on? The number 2. Now, I want to remind you that this is just a strategy. So if you were quick and you went 5 minus 3 and you did it on your fingers real quick, or you counted on like we learned last week, or you did it in your head, those are all strategies. Like I told my kiddos, these are tools for you to use when you solve equations. So a difference or subtraction equations or addition equations or whatever. All these little pieces that we're giving you, number lines, counting on, using your hands, using manipulatives, those are all tools in a toolbox. And you pull that tool out, and whichever one works for you, you use. But Miss Hipple and all of your teachers are teaching you all of these strategies. So when you see something and you go, oh yeah, Miss Hipple or Miss Harshman or Miss Stein or Miss Strauss or Miss Rodriguez, they taught me that. I remember it. It goes ding, ding, ding. So we are giving you those tools to pull out if you need them. It's like a toolbox, a handy dandy toolbox of all these math strategies, right? So this is our number line strategy. So you're learning to subtract on a number line. Just another strategy for you to use. So let's do 6 minus 2. So we're going to start on the number 6, and we're gonna jump back. How many times are we gonna jump back? 2 times. 1, 2. What number did I land on? The number 4. That is my answer. Good job. I bet you guys are already solving these in your head. I bet you're already just going on about it. I love it. 10 minus 4. Tell me what to do. I start at 10. I start at 10. And I jump back how many times? So I'm moving backwards because my number is supposed to get smaller and I'm taking away. So 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I land on? 6. And that is the answer. Ding, 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 ding. Next one, last one, and then we're going to go over your work for the day, and then you guys are going to scurry off and go do your work, okay? All right, so 9 minus 5 equals 9. Oh, I'm going to start at the number 9. Yes, Miss Hipple, I'm going to start at the number 9, and I'm going to move back 5 times, Miss Hipple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did I land on? The number 4. So that is my answer. All right, you guys did wonderful. Just to kind of review. So today we learned how to use a number line to subtract. We started at the big number and then we jumped backwards on the number line, correct? Yes, and when I subtract my numbers get smaller. They're gonna get smaller because somebody's taken away. Who is taken away? I know you see him over here. Linus the minus. He is taking away things and he is making me have less. So when you see him in an equation, this is an equation, when you see him there, your number should get smaller like they all did. All right, so let's look at our work for today and then I'm gonna let you guys go work your little hearts out, okay? So today you are going to be doing the same thing on your work. I hope you can see this. Can you see it? All right, so it kind of gives you an example up here first, right? 9 minus 2, and then they started at 9. I gotta find my place here. And they jumped back 2 times, and what number did they land on? The number 7. Yep, they did the same exact thing. So you're gonna do it here, all right? And then you're going to flip it over. And now they're gonna start giving you some like word problems. So I want your parents, if they have to, or you can read it by yourself, to kind of read these to you, or whoever's with you, to read these to you. And I want you to think about what it's asking you to do. And then you're going to solve the problem, okay? On the number line, we're using a number line to subtract. Okay, so I want you guys to go ahead and you're gonna go and you are going to show me that you're masters. You're gonna show me or your teachers or whoever that you're masters at subtracting on a number line. And the next time you see me, I'm gonna challenge you with something a little bit harder and I can't wait. So, all right, I love you guys. If you see me in the hallway walking by, say, hey, Miss Hipple. I love meeting new faces. All right, so I hope you guys have a great day of at-home learning, and I love you. I will see you later. Bye. Mwah.